Greetings, humanoids and earthlings. This is Philip with my Adkitchers. Today we are not going to be talking about KITT. We are going to ask KITT's advice on something, but today we're going to be talking about my Ram truck. Yes, that is my ET sticking up his middle finger along with the TARDIS, but we're going to be talking about the truck's third brake light. Yes, that's Indiana Jones rolling away from a boulder. So we're going to be talking about what has happened with the truck and how this third brake light always blows on it. And if you happen to be on Xbox and know my gamer tag, hit me up, because I'm the world's Okayest Gamer. So, anybody that plays Call of Duty with me should know that answer. So, here's what's happened, and here's your KITT fix. So what has happened is I've taken my truck to a local detail shop where it always gets its oil changed and the truck washed. Never have a problem with it. Only time the brake light ever blows is when I take it directly to the dealership. I took it there in October of 25, and I immediately started the truck up and the light blew again. So I mentioned that to the dealership. They had me reschedule it. I came back the next week and they replaced the bulb, but they gave me specific instructions how to prevent this in the future. The dealership, who you can see has been blocked out, their suggestion was, do not wash truck indefinitely. So that leads us to the problem. Do I need to drive around on my truck while it's always constantly dirty? I brought this up to Stellantis on it. I sent them a letter. They finally responded in December on it. They said that per their instructions that I needed to reach out to the customer care or to the general manager at the dealership. So I responded to them to let them know that I already had reached out to the service manager. The service manager was completely aware of the problem on it. So Stellantis responded and said that they do not handle vehicle concerns. Please reach out to the dealership. I explained to them that this is not a vehicle problem specific to my vehicle, that this is a vehicle problem specific to all these makes and models on it. After I responded to them with that, here is their response. Nothing. They haven't said anything. I asked if they would send my concerns to the dealership, to the general manager. Here is the general manager's response. Again, same thing. I also sent the same concern to the NTSB, the National Transportation Safety Board. Here's their response. Again, nothing on it. So, that brings me to the question of, how is KITT going to help me with this problem? So, KITT, what do you think we should do about the Ram?
Maybe you should consider a vehicle with a molecular bonded shell and more intelligence.
Yeah. I would not expect anything else other than a smart answer from KITT. So, we're going to continue to pursue this. Anyway, until then, if the video gets 10,000 likes, I will go ahead and disclose the dealership to which it has been done on it. But until then, stay gray, stay gray, pony boy on it. Stay gray and nanu nerds.